Hi everyone, AK here. In this video I'm gonna give you an overview about Asana. It's like a task management tool, and I will explain to you how I use it. Basically it's a great tool to communicate and organize projects and tasks between you and your team. You see the big advantage is like when you send certain tasks by email to your team. If you send, let's say, 20 emails and they will ignore 2 emails, you will not know if they have ignored those 2 emails because you cannot track that. But here in Asana you can create projects, and inside the projects you can create different sections. So I like example, in each project I create those sections: very urgent, very important, urgent, important, important, not urgent, others, recurring, and then you can create tasks between those projects, and you just move them the way you want. You name the task like test 1, and you assign it to a certain person, a certain team member, one of your team members, and usually you link your team member once by email, and that's it. Afterwards it will just show here, so you can assign the tasks to someone. So let's say we assign this to, let's say, Amr, and then you can add followers. Like when you assign it to one of your team members, he will be added automatically as a follower, and you can add other team members, let's say, to see the communications and the comments that's gonna happen in that task, if there is any activity in it. And you can add it to other projects. You can add description here, and then you can attach attachments and other stuff. So I'll show you a sample here. Like example, this is like different tasks with my designer, and let's say this is one of the tasks to edit. We are rebranding the show name of my show or podcast. So like he's sending me different designs, and I can see them all here. I can download them, and you can see the files for the attachments, all of it here. So it's really very simple, and the Asana app on your phone is also great. So I usually use it to create tasks for my team members, or I sometimes for quick communications I communicate about the details of some quick communications on WhatsApp, and I tell maybe my assistant, like, create for me a task on Asana for this and assign it for that specific team member. And here you see you can mark the task as complete. It will disappear from here, and you can just unmark it, and any action happens, you will see it in the inbox of Asana here. So those are different tasks here in the inbox, which is, you can consider it as your email inbox. And once you click on the task, you can see the details of it. So let's say this is another task. We are editing the show picture, so you can see lots of details here coming. And so this is the inbox, and if you close the task, let's say you finish answering this task, if you click here, this X, it will go to the archive section here, right? And then actually you can push it back if you still need it. You didn't check it in the activity section of the inbox. You just you click this, and it will go back to the activity or the inbox section, which is this one, which I just clicked on it, the logo task. So this is like an overview for Asana. It's great for creating different projects and different tasks to communicate with your team members. And I really highly recommend that you use it. More videos are coming after this for more details about Asana, and thank you so much, and see you soon with another video.